Gasket materials you should know in 90 seconds. We're going to start with Viton. This is what we use most of the time at Beaker and Wrench. It's often black, but sometimes brown, green, or even gray to differentiate it from other rubbers. It has a very good combination of chemical and temperature resistance, which is why we use it most of the time. Another material you might be familiar with is silicone. It's very commonly orange or this like clearish white. It has very good temperature resistance and pretty good chemical resistance, but as you start to use like hydrocarbons or terpenes, you'll notice it doesn't hold up nearly as well as the Viton does, and it often stains. So even though it's cheap and ubiquitous, it's not always the best material for extraction applications. Next up is PTFE, which is actually a plastic. It's not a rubber. Sometimes it's sandwiched with rubber to try to give it a little bit more sort of squishiness. It requires extra clamping force, but it's the pinnacle of temperature and chemical resistance. It's just harder to use because it doesn't spring back quite the same way. So you might have to use more clamping force or replace it every single time you use it as an O-ring. There are a million other different compounds that you could use. If you have any questions, contact us at info@Beaker and Wrench or DM.